EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Merchant with their outlook for November 20th, 2019. We're expecting partly cloudy skies across the region today. There will be a system off to our north and east, actually well to east, and some associated showers with that across New England, but that does not get into our region. So we're expecting another day of partly cloudy skies across the region and temperatures that are going to be very similar to what they were yesterday, kind of upper 40s to near 50 degrees across the region. It's not a too bad of a day today. And then once we get into the overnight, we're clear to partly cloudy. On Thursday, we're going to start off mostly sunny as high pressure is going to briefly build in, and then we're going to have an increase in clouds very late in the day. There's a system off to our west that's going to come through here on Friday, but there will be a warm front with this out ahead of it, and with those, especially our northern areas, could see a few more clouds increasing later in the day. This cold front is going to work its way eastward and come in here on Friday, and that's going to lead to some showers across the region. So mostly cloudy skies toward the very end of the day or the evening, and then that will continue overnight. Then once we get into Friday, we have a few showers are going to rotate through. Not a lot of precipitation with this. This is just rain, and this is ahead of the cold front. It's going to be a little bit milder here on Friday, getting up in the middle 50s for most areas. So that is going to be ahead of the synoptic warmth ahead of this cold front. But then once that cold front moves through, we have the temperatures that are going to decrease and get down to close to freezing here on Friday night, but not go up very much here during the day on Saturday. And then we have this other wave to deal with, which is right here over the Tennessee Valley. It's just going to kind of slide its way out like this. And on the northern side of this, there's going to be some precipitation. There could be a wintry mix in the areas that I circled there. Might not accumulate very much, but we'll have to watch this very closely because there's a chance it does. Gives you at least some. It's just lighter precipitation on the northwest side of this low as it slides off to our south and east. And so there's not a lot of precipitation with this, but this comes in later on Saturday and continues on Saturday night. That's the timeline for that. Let's go to the precipitation type maps just so we can kind of zoom in on this. Now, it looks like this is looking at early afternoon on Saturday. This is late afternoon on Saturday right here, and you can see some mixing of rain and snow in our central and northern areas, and it's going to be a very close call for some of these areas to see whether or not you have any mixing going on here. But temperatures are only going to get up to, in our central areas, get close to the 40-degree mark, and that's it. So if it's any cooler than that, now we're going to watch these boundary layer temperatures very closely. If it's any cooler than that, it doesn't get out of the 30s, you have a better chance of some mixing in there at least. Don't expect too much in the way of accumulations. Maybe across the far northwestern portions of our area could see some very minor accumulations of snow and or ice, but I don't see that being a big deal at the moment. And this system is going to continue overnight, and again, there'll be some rain and snow showers in basically those same areas before this pulls away late Saturday night or very early Sunday morning. I think Sunday morning is going to be clouds giving way to sun as this system pulls away, and then we are back to partly cloudy skies here on Sunday, and back to mostly sunny on Monday. Now we're going to have see, I'm jumping ahead here. This is another day. This is Tuesday. Here's Monday. Mostly sunny skies here on Monday. But we will have temperatures that are going to be a little cooler this weekend. Again, might not get out of the 30s in many locations, especially in those areas that we're expecting the mixing, and maybe lower 40s further south and east down by Philadelphia. So it's not going to get too warm on Saturday. On Sunday, the sun's coming out a little bit, so we're getting in the mid to upper 40s for highs. And then we get back into the 50s both Monday and Tuesday. We'll have mostly sunny skies here on Monday and then partly cloudy on Tuesday. We're going to watch this next system coming in here. It looks like the day before Thanksgiving, or maybe the Thanksgiving Eve night, the night before Thanksgiving. Could have some showers with this next frontal boundary coming in, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. That is safely outside of our 7-day forecast window. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 20th, 2019. Have a great Wednesday.